Now this is a really cool Bronco. Look right behind it, Roadrunner Service and Tire. If you drive out 271 on the north side of Paris, Texas, you will come to an interesting shop that's been around for 40 years. Yep, Roadrunner Service and Tire, a really good tire shop in Paris, Texas. I took my little GR86 out there. It needed new shoes, and this is where I went. Let's investigate. Welcome to Road Odyssey. Thank you for joining me. If you like the videos that I provide, please subscribe, and if you're on Rumble, please follow. My little GR86. Love this car, and it really needed some new tires bad. What did I do? Made an appointment with Roadrunner. Let's go inside and see what this place looks like. It does have a very nice lobby, TV, water, seating, AC, and very nice people. They have won several awards in the Paris, Texas area, and they do provide a lot of different services, so keep them in mind when you need help. So, let's take a little bit of an in-depth look about the business. You can go out on Google, look them up, and get plenty of good information there, as well as going out to their website with all the cool information that they have. And they have tons of information, including the services that they provide, which are quite extensive. Many services available. And not to mention, they have specials, so you can get coupons on some of those services. And I looked at BBB. This place does have a very good rating at this time. Being new to the Paris, Texas area, I was a bit apprehensive about taking my 2022 GR86 to this shop because there are not a lot of GR86s alive that I could get my hands on. So I really wanted to take it to somebody that was reliable and that I could really trust. So I asked around a little bit. Everybody was saying, well, you know, Roadrunner is a very good store for tire service in this Paris, Texas, northeast Texas area, close to the Red River and Hugo and all that. So easy to get to, great location. And so, yeah, I went for it. They gave me extremely good pricing on the tires and full install. So I just couldn't pass that up. Here, the gentleman, who is actually pretty new to this shop, was inspecting my wheels and tires and making sure that everything was going to work out just right. So that was good to see. But nonetheless, they really did a fiery job at getting this, bit of work done for me. I really did appreciate it. Be reminded that Roadrunner is a very busy shop, so please try to make an appointment so that you can alleviate any issues on your end of the deal. And with that, you know what? They just did a fantastic job for me. Thank you very much to Roadrunner in Paris, Texas. Also, I would like to point out I do have my Road Odyssey Facebook page. If you're curious about what I'm up to, what I've been doing, and what I plan to do for other videos, events, and so forth, please check out my Facebook page. Alrighty, well, time to say goodbye to Roadrunner. I thank y'all very much for watching this video. Roadrunner did a fantastic job. So with that, relax, take it easy. I'll see you later. And you know what? I hope your tires are in great condition. If they aren't, go to Roadrunner, Paris, Texas. Bye.